From FLIR comes a breakthrough marine radar that will give you an entirely new level of awareness on the water. The Raymarine Quantum Chirp Radar. A new approach to marine radar. Quantum uses chirp pulse compression and advanced digital signal processing to create images that are sharper, more defined, and easier to interpret than what conventional radars produce. Engineered to perform in all conditions, Quantum's chirp radar technology detects objects as close as 18 feet away. And if you're heading offshore, Quantum sees targets and landmass up to 24 nautical miles in the distance. Quantum's clutter-free imagery and radar overlay make navigation even more detailed and precise. You can instantly match live radar targets with chart objects and know exactly what's around you at all times. In congested waterways, Quantum also intelligently rejects interference from other radars, ensuring a noise-free image. Quantum is easy to install. Simply connect the power cable and use Quantum's integrated Wi-Fi to sync with the Raymarine multifunction display. Quantum has safe radiated emissions and doesn't require a lengthy warm-up time. Just power up and go. With Raymarine Quantum Chirp Radar, you'll see targets sooner and with greater clarity. With that kind of confidence, you can relax and experience the thrill of the open water even more. The Raymarine Quantum Chirp Radar. Only from FLIR.